So I asked babe to take a picture of me in this dress, and I'm going to insert it and show you guys the difference a year workout makes me look. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Happy Sunday. How are you guys doing? It's bright and early Sunday morning, and the fam is heading out to church. Yes, we are going to church this morning. Tyler is here. Tyler, say hello. Say hi.
Hi.
How are you? You ready for church? Where are you going? Church?
Good.
Church? Yes. So I'm ready. That's me right there. And baby's ready. Baby's somewhere. Oh, there he is.
Hi guys, I'm here. We're leaving in 5 minutes, so I'll just make sure we have everything. Hope you're enjoying your Sunday, and look at you guys.
Alright you guys, we're actually heading out to catch the bus, and no, your girl didn't work out this morning, but that's okay. That's totally okay. Tomorrow is Monday, and I'll be definitely working out tomorrow morning. I'll try my best at least. Alright, so make sure you guys are doing something today, whether you're going to church, whether you're going to school, whether you're staying home and just relaxing, whatever it is that you're doing today, just enjoy yourself while you're doing it. It doesn't really matter what it is. Alright, we're heading out to catch the bus right now because church is in an hour, so we're gonna catch the bus. That way we can be at church on time. So have a good day, and we'll catch you guys in a bit. You guys, this is what Sunday morning beaching is looking like. A lot of people working out, a lot of people running, a lot of people just strolling by, and then a lot of people enjoying the beach, because you guys know fall is coming, and it starts to get a little bit cool, which means that it's not so hot anymore, so there's not much people at the beach. But yeah, a few people out here enjoying the beach, and lots of people running. I guess because it's the weekend, you have more people running than any other day. So you guys, we are at church. We just reached church, and just as we are about to get off the bus, I stopped before our next stop. Tyler just started vomiting, non-stop vomiting. I think because, like babe says, his head is down in the tablet. I don't know if that would cause it, but that's babe's opinion. And the bus keeps shaking him up like this. So I think the shaking up is really one of the big cause of it. Whenever we take these long buses, he always vomits. But anyway, we're at church. Hey faves, we are back from church, and as we were walking from church, it just dawned on me that this same dress that I'm wearing right now is the same dress I wore to my sister-in-law's wedding last year this time. And I'm like, oh my gosh, how different do I look in this dress, and how different do I feel in this dress? Yes baby. So I asked babe to take a picture. What happened? Aww. Ah! Who is that? That's you? Give me a kiss. So I asked babe to take a picture of me in this dress, and I'm going to insert it and show you guys the difference a year workout makes me look. Just unbelievable. When you stay consistent and work out and eat differently, it's just amazing how I look different in this dress. So I'm going to show you the picture from last year and the picture I just took. What do you want? What is manna? Go to Papa, Mama going to make lunch. No banana, you just had lunch. Look at your mouth. You just had lunch. Give Mama kisses and then get out of the kitchen. I love you. Alright, go to Papa. Mama gonna make lunch. So you want tomato? He said tomato. Here. And tomato? No? Alright, out of the kitchen. Bye. Bye, Abba. So I'm going to make lunch for babe and I. And I'm going to just make some smoked salmon. Just let the heat run over it. And then I'm going to do some tomatoes, lettuce, and corns. That's lunch, guys. Quick and easy. It's all ready. I see you. Mama. What are you doing under the table? Look at yourself. Look. Tie. I see you. There you are. There you are. There you are. Silly boy. I do you. I do you. I do you. I see you under the chair. I do you. You're right here. I'm gonna get you. Silly. Yeah. There you are. You're under the table. Yes. What are you doing on the table? Careful to your head. Ta-da! 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 Okay, you guys, so it's dinner time in the Delaveaus household. It's dinner time, and dinner is pretty simple tonight. All we're gonna have is this leftover chicken that I minced up from last night that I am slow cooking, slow cooker, and we're gonna have it with some lettuce leaf. That's as simple as dinner is gonna be tonight. So it's num time. Say bye. Bye. Tomorrow. Say tomorrow. Bye. Tomorrow. Night night. Bye. Say night night. Bye.
Hi guys, good afternoon, good night. Pieces. Time to end the vlog. Bye. See you tomorrow. No, that's how like this we do. No. Alright. I'm handsome with my new hairstyle.
Ooh, who give you that hairstyle?
Someone is important for me.
Yeah, your personal barber.
My own and only personal barber, and she only cut my hair and tied her hair. So
You sleeping with your barber?
you jealous?
No, hell no, I'm not jealous.
I'm not gonna answer you.
Why not?
Because I went to church. I don't want to tell you bullshit. I keep secret inside me. I have my secret.
What you say? What? You went to church?
Yeah.
So because you went to church, because you went to church, what?
I don't want to tell you bullshit.
You don't.
So I prefer not to tell you anything. So today, I'm not gonna give you an expression. I'm gonna give you a word. The word for today, because I was thinking, but I never give it to you, is église. Église in French mean church. So this morning we went to église. Make sure you get it. Say it.
Église.
Right. It's not a hard one, but it's an important one.
What is the Jamaican word? Me no know.
Me no know.
There you have it. Me no know.
And what mean me no know?
I don't know.
Okay.
Guys, there you have the Jamaican expression, quick and easy. Me no know. Simple means I don't know. Alright, you guys, so there you have the Jamaican expression and the French word for today. Make sure you guys get it. And if you're watching us for the first time,
6 days.
6 days for what?
I don't know.
No, use the Jamaican expression.
Me no know.
Alright, you guys will find out what it will be in 6 days. Countdown starts right now, you guys, right now. But if you guys can guess what it is in 6 days, comment down below and let me know if you guys have a guess what it will be in 6 days. Since they bring it up, might as well. Anyway, you guys, we love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy another day in our life as our journey continues. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.
Bye.
Next thing, you guys, I can't stress it enough. I can't stress it enough. And I've been getting messages. Guys, you will not get notification even if your bell is on most of the time. I don't know what is going on with YouTube. And a lot of person been telling me that they're not getting notifications. However, if you're really a huge Fave fan, you don't need notification. Just go to our channel every single day. We upload video Monday to Friday. So go to our channel every day and a video will be there. So even if you don't get the notification, just set your alarm on your phone and say go to the Delaveaus every single day. Just set your alarm, let it alarm every single day at a certain time, and you guys won't miss a video. So don't worry about the notification that you're not getting. Just go to our channel every day and the video will be there. All right.